Hello, I just wanted to go through the changes with you to the website. So if we go to the site, the home page is fine at the moment. The only thing is that this banner is moving too fast and we need to slow it down quite a bit. I was thinking more like 10 seconds, 10 to 15 seconds on each banner if possible. So if you could change that, that would be great. I believe the About tab is good. I like how you have the video, and this all looks good. The lookbook I'm just going to run through with you now. So this is looking good. I've actually decided to remove this share images. So if you can just get rid of this share images box, that would be great. Then when you click on an item, one thing is when you hover over it, it's actually not square all the way around the item. I don't know if you can remove that blue line because it looks kind of ugly. And then when you click on an item, I need to be able to customize this picture up here and this thing, which I believe you can do. I have no idea how you use the back end, so I really need to see a video recording so that I can go in and edit some of the stuff that's in here so that it's correct. And then if I go down here and I hit login, and then I want to register, I want this register button to be big like this login button, and it should be like it should be a bigger button, and maybe put it either over here or down here, because right now it's not very clear. So maybe we need to insert a thing saying existing existing account, and then username, password, and then down here new account, and then obviously register. And this lost your password can be small under this password box here. So if I click register like this, so I'm going to create a username, that data and okay. Click register. I'm just going to make sure this all works. It seems to take quite a long time to think about it. I don't know if that's just a functionality with the site or whether it's my internet, but it seems to take quite a few minutes. As you can see, it's still spinning now. So now it just always takes me back to this page and it's saying howdy. So if I log out, I'm not sure if that's because I have an account already. So I'll just go back to the lookbook here actually and try it this way. So if I go to this picture and I'm going to say login, just try that password and see if it works. I have to try a few here and just see if it lets me in. Okay, it doesn't seem to be working, so I'm just gonna, I don't remember setting up an account, so I'm just gonna set up, see if this actually works. I'm just gonna log into webmail here. Okay. Sorry about that. So it's saying WordPress when it comes in. I don't really like that. It should say Gabino instead of WordPress. And then if I click on this, I'm presuming it will allow me to reset my password. And it's actually saying, so it's actually not working. As you can see when I click on it, it's actually saying your password appears to be invalid. Please request a new link. So that needs to be fixed. If I try and register a new account, So I'm actually going to just put in brand new account. I just want to see if this works also. Oh, it's saying it's already registered. So it seems to be a little bit buggy right now. If you don't mind having a look at it, just testing it a few different ways to make sure that people are able to actually create an account and then also they're able to reset their password. Both things don't seem to be working. As I mentioned before, this share images, I've decided to take this functionality away for right now. I don't want users to have access to that yet. So when you click on the picture, I'm able to like it. And then I'm able to comment. So I'm able to say, love backlook Gabbiano 2018. And then if I press enter, it's kind of confusing as to how you add a comment. Really, when you press, this button should be a little bit clearer, but I'm not sure if you can do that. So now it's added the comment, and it hasn't hyperlinked it, so I don't know if you can fix that also. This thing here, I'm not sure what this does. Doesn't appear to do anything. I don't know if you can just remove that button. And then go to post, copy link, cancel. Okay, that's fine. So if you can fix that, that would be great. Also, I need to know exactly how to edit the back end so that I can figure out how to change this up here and also the top comment on each of these posts. Because I've got to present this week, so I need to know how to change this password, this picture, this name because it's spelt wrong, and also the comments up here, and also be able to remove all the comments up here, if that makes sense. Also, another small thing is that I believe username should always not be a email address, but I don't know if you can build that functionality into it. Going back to services, exhibition. This is perfectly fine. This page is. I'm happy with this page. The only thing is, if you just compare this when you click lookbook, the size of the page, and then when you click exhibition, it's quite different. And we need the aspects on all the pages to be exactly the same because this is quite a bit smaller, which I'm okay with because I think this looks better on a big screen, whereas I'm on a tablet right now, and when you view these other pages on a tablet, on a bigger screen, it looks really weird. So it just needs to be consistent across them. Match a scarf is fine, and consignment. Now schedule, I believe this was fine. The only thing is I don't know how to add events, so I can't check the functionality, and I need to be able to add them over multiple days. So for instance, if an event started on a Tuesday and went through to Saturday, I need to be able to spread an event across that many days. So I'm presuming you'll be able to do that. Can you please send me instructions on exactly how I add an event through the back end, because it was very confusing when I looked at it last time. And then the contact us page, this was fine. So if you can make those changes right away, that would be greatly appreciated. The main thing is obviously this lookbook, and then some small changes to the schedule. I don't like also how it's allowing us to edit this in WordPress along the top. This is very dangerous if it's going to be a forward-facing website. So I need that bar hidden when you log in. I'm not sure how you're going to do that. So maybe you can take a look at fixing that. If you have any questions, please just reach out to me and let me know. That'll be great. Thanks very much.